Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food, the place where delicious dreams come true. I am John and today we are diving into the magical world of my absolute favorite gingerbread cookies. But hold on to your aprons, folks, because these aren't just any gingerbread cookies. Get ready for a journey through flavors and decorations that will leave your taste buds dancing and your eyes wide open. The Gingerbread Symphony. Each cookie is a work of art, a symphony of spice and sweetness. Just look at these beauties: gingerbread stars, snowflakes, and even reindeer. Decorating delight. Now comes the fun part: decorating. It's like a sweet edible art project. Grab your piping bags, sprinkles, and let your creativity run wild. The secret ingredient. Now, what's the secret to these heavenly cookies? Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. It's all about the unexpected twist in the dough. A dash of cinnamon magic, a pinch of nutmeg wonder. Sharing the joy. What's the point of making these delights? Sharing the joy, of course, whether with family, friends, or your neighbor's dog. Spread the happiness and savor the sweetness together. The holiday kitchen magic. Creating these gingerbread wonders isn't just about the cookies. It's about the holiday magic that fills the kitchen. From twinkling lights to festive tunes, immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of holiday baking. Gingerbread Cookie Exchange. Hosting a gingerbread cookie exchange is the ultimate celebration of sweetness. Invite your friends and family to join in the fun, each bringing their uniquely decorated cookies. It's a joyous gathering of flavors and a chance to swap delicious treats. The grand finale, Gingerbread House Extravaganza. Now we can't wrap up our gingerbread adventure without a grand finale. The Gingerbread House Extravaganza. Transform your gingerbread dough into a festive architectural masterpieces. Let your imagination run wild with candy canes, gumdrops, and sprinkle of holiday magic. And there you have it, the journey of my favorite gingerbread cookies, a symphony of flavors, a canvas of creativity, and a sprinkle of joy. Don't forget to visit bloggingoodfood.com for the full recipes and more culinary adventures.